I'm very quickly going to run you guys through how I use my NicCole Photography presets. So we're going to head over here and we're going to choose this one. Head over here, look at our presets. You got your presets here: matte, creamy, newborn, creamy with contrast, creamy cool, darken me down if you had a bright image, lighten me up if it was too light, and then NicCole Love. So just looking through these. What do I want to do with this one? Let's go for that. So then you head over here, we're going to select all, and then we are going to sync these, and then we have these images synced to the color that is. If you feel like you need some simple adjustments back to the basic panel, I would warm that one up a little bit and I would call it a day. That one, again, I'd probably warm that one up just a tad bit. This one, again, warm it up just a little bit, and that would be my consistency in these images. That one you may want to pull up shadows. Let's pull up shadows just a little bit, pull those up a little bit brighter maybe, just to match the other ones, but that's where I would leave those if I were editing them that way. So let's go back and reset. We'll go back to completely straight out of the camera shots. Okay, so here we are again. Let's say this time we want to do this one. Let's go for the newborn. What do we want it cool? Let's see. I think I want to do this one. Let's do the newborn with contrast. So again, we're going to go back here, select all. Once we do that, we're going to sync them. And then over here, it's been applied to all of them. So we're going to go up. If you feel like there are some adjustments that need to be made here, I feel like it needs to be a little warmer, or I'm sorry, a little brighter. This one, maybe a tad bit brighter. But we're still going for that dark moody, so we're going to put a little bit of this one. We're going for that dark moody, right? So we're going to darken down just a tad bit. Oh, that hair. And then over to this one. Again, that one was really cool. We're going to warm it up. And then we're going to bring it down a little bit. And then just highlight some whites to get that moody feel to it. So here, again, we have consistency in, we decided that we wanted it to look dark and moody. So we have that contrast in all of these images. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I look forward to letting you know about the new ones that'll be coming out towards the middle of the year. Thanks so much.